Hey, let me show you all controls of the Beats Solo 4 headphones, and we can actually control a lot of features by using the left headphone. So we got the Beats button and this frame around the Beats button. So first I want to show you how we can volume up or volume down. So we can volume up by clicking once, take a look, or you can click and hold to do this faster. The same with the volume down, click and hold to do this faster, or click once to do this slower and more precise. You can also play and pause media by clicking once on the Beats button, like this. But if you are playing sound and you are going to quickly tap on it 2 times, you are going to turn the next song. If you are going to click on it 3 times quickly, you are going to turn the previous song. There we go. If you are going to click on it 2 times and then hold, you are going to forward song. If you are gonna click on it once and then hold, you are going to fast forward. Okay, we have to play like this. As you can see, we are fast forwarding this song. If you want to rewind, click 2 times, 1, 2, and hold. Of course, you have to do this quickly. There we go. And longer you hold, the faster it will be. Then we can also find some controls for calls. We can find them right here. So we can answer a call by pressing once, mute and unmute microphone by pressing once, or end call by pressing twice. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.